Hey y'all, what up? This is Justin McKissick Larry. Hope you're doing well. As you know, this is a systematic approach. Everything you see is systematic. So every time an actual trade come up based on my algorithm, an alert system will come on letting you know. Okay. And the blue moving average has to be underneath the orange moving average. It's that simple. Okay. If the blue is over orange, the price is going up. If the blue is under the orange, price goes down. This about to go off right now. That simple. I put the S for sale, came up on there as a message. Okay, you heard it. Came right there on there as a sale. I was already in the sale a little bit early. Okay. Okay. Blue over orange, price go down. You keep the trade open. Okay. Blue under orange, price go down. I'm sorry. Blue over orange, price go up. Blue under orange, price go down. And you just take the trades based on that. That's it. That's it. You just saw the alert go off. It's that simple. Go ahead and purchase immediately. And real quick, let me just take it to another level to explain to y'all what's going on. Candlesticks. These candlesticks, they form from left to right, right? We all know that, right? And they form because of price action we see going up and down. All right? And moving averages, what they do is trail the direction price is going. So you see how when the price was going up, the moving averages were going up, just following the direction the price is going. Now we notice how the candlesticks started going down, the price action started going down, and when it went up underneath these candlesticks, the moving averages started going down as well. Okay? So that was another indicator, a sign that the price is going to be going down. That's what happened based on my algorithm. And it repeats itself over and over again. Okay? So once you buy this system, you'll get all the algorithms. You'll have an understanding of how to trade this. You'll have the alert system you can put on here, and it's really that simple. Been having a really good day-to-day trading, and it's that simple. You don't see a bunch of stuff on here from left to right. That's all you doing. It's following. You focusing on the candle right there, the main candle. That's like the one that just opened. That's the most important thing. You just back test to see how it performed in the past. So when I say back test, the blue moving average over orange. Once you put it in, then you can just see what's going on. Okay, you also see this series of blue over orange. It's a little bit quicker and stuff like that. I put that on the chart, you know what I mean, just to keep me focused on what's going on as far as like the overall direction is the price, but I focus on this main moving average. That's it. And I make money doing this shit. You know, I've been making money all this morning doing this. Real easy to use. This is Justin McKissick Larry. Go ahead and purchase it immediately.